Good evening, guys. We already in Paris. We landed at night and we spent like 1 hour in our airport just waiting for the passenger. The security checked all the bags. So I'm very tired to be honest, but the flight was amazing. Also, I love my passenger too much, so I enjoy every single minute on my flight. Tomorrow we are going to the city early in the morning, and I will show you like Eiffel Tower and all the main sightseeing. I hope so that we'll reach all sightseeing because we don't have too much time, but we supposed to booked Uber or just took the train. So see you tomorrow and have a good rest if you're watching me in the evening. So good morning, guys. I'm ready to visit the city. We live very far from the city. One girl feel herself sick, so I hope that I will be not alone because we plan like five of us plan to go to the city. I just hope that maybe a few girls still going. So now I want to go and grab some coffee and then we will go. So let's go. So guys, I already grabbed some cappuccino in crew lounge. Well, thanks God we have coffee machine because I'm gonna die in my room. We have no any kettle. So now I'm going to the lobby. Already bought the tickets. The tickets cost us to the Eiffel Tower like 10 euros. So we bought the tickets on 2 ways. So we are excited. So guys, we're already here. Now we want to go through the Eiffel Tower. So if you want to go to the Eiffel Tower, you need to go through security access. They check your bags. They check if you didn't keep something, not allowed stuff. Even magazines, it's not allowed. Even flags. So if you want to bring your national flags here, it's not allowed. So, oh my god, I'm so excited because actually Paris, it wasn't like the city of my dream. But when I come here, oh my god, I'm the happiest person ever. So, let's see. So now we are near the Eiffel Tower.
Across here.
So it's difficult to place all Eiffel Tower in one photo and in one video. So and now we want to go to the Louvre, I suppose. Oh my god, there is nothing around. I suppose that we have like very nice place for pictures, but no. Yes, that's all Eiffel Tower. So let's go to Louvre. Look at this building. There is so different Paris. Like one green building and one old architecture. Look at, I wish I come here in summer.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this bridge. Oh my god, it's amazing. I don't know the name, to be honest, but So, and now we're going to Notre Dame de Paris. Yes, I was mistaken when I told you we are going to Versailles. Today it's so empty day because it's a Monday and it's a working day, so not too much people here around. Look at these! So guys, we are going to the Louvre. Around a lot of different buildings behind me. So, oh my god, I still can't believe that I'm in Paris. Yeah, all the time I'm very happy when I receive like a new destination where I never been before. So I opened Paris, I opened France for me, and during all the way to the Eiffel Tower in the train, I heard the French language, and it sounds amazing. I want to start study like French. I supposed to study at university, but then I changed my university, so I didn't have a chance. And now I really think about it. Oh my god, let's go. So now we try to figure out which building is Louvre. As we understand, behind us it's Petit Palace, behind me, yes. And for this side it's Grand Palace. If I'm correct. If somebody from France watch me, please correct me. I wish I would know what is the building. So I think we walk around this building and it's supposed to be Louvre behind. It's supposed to be. Our breakfast in Paris looks like this: pancakes with chocolate and banana. Oh my god, the light is so awful. So yeah, again pancakes. All the European destination I had it. Behind me the fontaine, which is not worth it, but everybody takes pictures with it, and it becomes more sunny. Perfect weather, but it's also windy. So with my long hair, it's difficult. So after breakfast, we finally reach the Louvre. So we are going directly to this pyramid, famous one. And I see here it's more crowded than near Eiffel Tower. Maybe it was like early morning. I like that it's sunny weather, but now it's more complicated to take pictures here. So I already took one more coffee for today. Cappuccino, as usual. And now we are going to the Louvre. Yeah, the light is awful here, but I hope close to the pyramid it will be better. see? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look around. Oh my god. I'm in Paris. So guys, now we're inside this pier. Here downstairs, as you can see, the stairs. They have museum. For the ticket to museum, you need to pay. And here is the free enter. You just need to go through security access again. Just same as in airport. So now we are going to Notre Dame de Paris. So as I told you before, now we are going to the Notre Dame de Paris. We are behind the Louvre. And now you can see like normal city, like normal. It's small, looks like Vienna, but because I didn't visit Europe too much, so for me it's difficult to to compare European city. For now, it's small Vienna, Austria, and Paris. It looks similar. So guys, finally I reached Notre Dame de Paris. You see behind me. Also, of course, I will put a video without me. Actually, it's a nice building, but I don't know why I thought that it will be like more huge building. But it's still cute, but not cute. It's still nice and like Gothic again. You know, I'm falling in love with Gothic architecture. So we now enjoy the view, and then we'll come back to the hotel. We'll have some rest because we have fly at I think at 8 p.m. So we have wake up call at 6 and our bus at 7. So nice. I'm super happy that I'm here in Paris because I really wanted to see, and I'm really want to come back here. Yeah, not all destination I want to come back, but Paris is so special. It's so, oh my god, it's romantic. people some people have fun with children here, just sitting, chilling, and of course we need to take pictures now. So see you later. So guys, we already come back from the city, and now I'm in our crew lounge. It's a small but cozy lounge. You see we have a table, we have some sofas, TV. Also we have working place computer. And now we will go, we have some small table with the chairs like this, and coffee machine with microwave, and you see a lot of glasses. Have some tea. So I decided to have some tea, of course, because we don't have like teapot at, at our room number, because it's just like small hotel near the airport. But actually I like, because it's very warm in our room number, and it's very, we have very nice, reception. It's so like fresh and cozy. I wish that like half of our hotels were like this. So now, as you can see, I prepared tea, a lot of water. So I think I need to do a few sips, and then I will come back to my room number and will prepare for my flight. So guys, I'm very happy that I'm here, and I hope you enjoy my day, and see you in my next vlog. Bye. So guys, this is our lobby. How it looks like. You see? It's very cozy place, as I told you before.